Do you ever feel unstable or floaty on camera? Maybe you get nervous or your feet feel light, or maybe you can't stay fully present in a scene. Today I'm going to teach you one of the most powerful tools I know, which is called physical anchoring. This one technique will transform your presence instantly. Let's begin.
In acting, being grounded is not just a metaphor. Physical anchoring is a fundamental technique that allows an actor to build a solid, rooted presence in the performance space. It goes far beyond simply standing. It's a conscious, deep connection with the ground, using the weight of the body as a point of reference and stability. When we anchor physically, we project confidence, gain control over movement and emotion, reduce instability and nervousness, and feel more fully available for dramatic action. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the full exercise. Follow along with me. Start standing with your feet parallel, hip width apart. If possible, remove your shoes so you can feel the ground directly. Close your eyes. Bring all your attention to the soles of your feet. Notice how every part of the foot, the heels, arches, metatarsals, and toes, makes contact with the floor. Now imagine your feet have roots. These roots extend deep into the earth, connecting you with the ground. Feel the solidity beneath you. Take a breath and allow yourself to be supported. Begin to gently sway forward and backward. Feel how your weight shifts from your heels to the balls of your feet and back. Repeat this several times. Now shift your weight side to side, from one foot to the other, slowly and smoothly. Find the central point where your weight feels evenly distributed between both feet, between front and back, and between left and right. Feel your center of gravity settle. You can also experiment with lifting your toes slightly and lowering them, then lifting your heels and lowering them. This increases your awareness of your base of support. Once your weight feels balanced, bring your attention to your spine. Imagine a thread running from the base of your spine all the way up to the crown of your head. When you inhale, let that thread gently pull upward, lengthening your spine. When you exhale, allow your weight to settle even more firmly into the ground. This creates a connection between earth and sky. The lower body is rooted and stable. The upper body is elongated, available, and free. Your posture should feel upright but relaxed, grounded but light. Now let's begin to move. Start to walk slowly through your space. Pay attention to every step. Feel how each foot anchors into the ground before the next one lifts. Try stopping at different points. Before moving again, take a moment to connect, feel the floor, and re anchor yourself. Experiment with small direction changes, even small hops or quick transitions, but always return to your anchored state before continuing. If you have a partner, try this. One person applies a gentle push to the other. The person being pushed must keep the anchor, holding the ground without tensing or stiffening. This is incredibly useful for building on camera presence and stability.
If you practice with me today, you've just taken a huge step towards becoming a more present and more confident actor. Please write me in the comments, what did you feel during this anchoring exercise? Did you feel warmth, weight, calmness, more confidence, or maybe even something unexpected? If you like this lesson and you want to get access to the whole variety of secret acting techniques and very cool acting tools, you can join my school community, which is called Evgeny's Acting Studio, where we train each and every single day with different actors, very talented people from all around the world. I'll be waiting for you there. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next lesson and on my Evgeny's Acting Studio on the School.com platform. Thank you. Bye.